In this video, I am going to demonstrate and share with you 3 useful iOS shortcut hacks that will allow you to reduce the time you're using your phone and stop the unwanted reflexive scrolling. Let's begin with the first one. To do that, I will just pick up my phone, and as you can see right now, this is my phone. Whenever I'm getting into Instagram, it's a bit hard to do that way, but the screen will turn black and white. You can see over here. That's nice. Let me just get out of it. And right now the screen turned back to colors. This is a very useful hack because of 2 things. The first thing, reducing colors would make Instagram boring. You would get bored and you would get out. The second thing, it will increase your awareness to unwanted reflexive scrolling. When you would identify that you're doing it and you would see the black and white grayscale screen, you would immediately understand that you're just doing the unwanted reflexive scrolling and you will get out of the app right away. I created a dedicated video that explains exactly how you can do this shortcut on your iPhone, step-by-step guide. The link would be right over here somewhere, but make sure to watch the other 2 hacks before you're getting into this video. Let me demonstrate the next hack that will make you face your dopamine zombie. I'll take my phone to do that. So this is my phone right here, and I want to show you what's going on when you're entering Instagram. 3, 2, 1. Selfie. And then what's happening is that I can see myself on the screen. Let me show you from this way so it would be clearer. When I'm trying to get into Instagram, I'm clicking the app and then the camera turned to selfie, and then I can take a look at my face when I'm a dopamine zombie, and this is very funny. You can take a picture and then you could have a dedicated album on your Photos app just for all of the pictures that you took when you had your dopamine zombie moments. The dopamine zombie hack is a great thing because it will show you your dopamine zombie face and it will make you face yourself when you're trying to get those dopamine hits from any social media app. Try to use it for a while. It will block you from using it and it will definitely stop the unwanted reflexive scrolling. If you want to see exactly how you can use it, I made a video. I will put the link right over here so you'd be able to follow a guide when I'm creating it step by step. It's a very nice one. The third one is funny and very spatial. I made it because I wanted to have an example of better things that I'd be able to do instead of the unwanted reflexive scrolling. Are you ready? Here it goes. I'll click Instagram and then I'll have an alert with just one option with the OK button. I'll click the OK button and let's see where it takes me. To a list on the Reminders app with better things to do. This is a great way to trick yourself to do better things. You can put a lot of examples. This is just a funny one that I created. Go to the gym, go run, meditate, read a book, or take a walk outside. But this is something that you could put with like real things that you want to do, real things that are better to do instead of just unwanted reflexive scrolling. So just like with the 2 others, I created a complete video guide that you'd be able to follow step by step to create this amazing iOS shortcut to stop your unwanted reflexive scrolling. The video link would be right over here so you'd be able to watch it. I want to say 2 more things in personal. First, I would like you to understand that external interruptions, external triggers are just external. And if you want to tackle your distractions, you need to understand what are the things that you're feeling, what are the negative emotions that you're avoiding. And I created another video exactly about that, that explains what are the things that you'd be able to do if you want to overcome your distractions once and for good. The second thing is that I really appreciate your time. Thanks for watching it. I really tried to make the effort to expose those videos to more and more audiences. So if you enjoyed the video and you gained any value from it, please consider liking this video, because if you would like it, the YouTube algorithm will expose the video to many more audiences and it will really help me grow my channel and get to more people. My mission is to help you overcome distractions and close the gap between available and desirable. So if you want to get more information, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.